Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let us first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger. Also, you can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that in advanced settings in volume button function you have selected ringtone, not media. And now just by press up volume button you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also you can do this by the third way, just by slap to the up side, to the up this volume panel with your finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.